What has happened in BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 216. I'm starting to really plow through this 200s now too. Man, I can't believe I've done 216 of these. Something we haven't tasted before. Again, it's kind of odd that I haven't tasted this before. It is the Woods barrel-aged Amaro. So their Amaro was originally created because of the Great Campari shortage. A lot of you don't know about the Great Campari shortage because you're not as plugged in as maybe I am, but there was a Great Campari shortage. I think in 2015 or 2016, I want to say. It was very, very difficult to get Campari. So the guys at Woods created this using a vacuum distillation. Now, vacuum distillation sucks all the air out of the distillation process, which means everything boils at a much lower temperature. What does this really mean? It means when things boil at a much lower temperature, it actually creates a different flavor profile, a lot more softer, bright notes instead of it being very cooked and pushed down. So this is what they do. They do with vacuum distillation. I think they're the only vacuum distillers in BC, which makes their product very, very different. They usually have what they have. So barrel aged, distilled Grand Fair, grapefruit, rhubarb, and bitter orange. So obviously going for that Campari Aperol-y sort of bitter form. And then barrel aging. Now I'm not sure how long they barrel age. I'm going to say it's probably not too long. And it doesn't mention what they actually barrel age it in either. But that being said, let's give it a try. Oh. Oh, super twang right up the nose. Like grapefruit peel, that fur, definitely. Rhubarb leaf, like just straight in the face. Now we're starting to get through to more like orange tones and grapefruit pith and like sweet rhubarb. Oh, yeah, 28%. Get a little vanilla in there because of the barrel. It's really balanced out. It's playing really well. Almost like Aperol orange ice cream. Almost that sort of vanilla-y, beautiful. Like I've done Aperol floats before, and that's what it reminds me of, is an Aperol float with vanilla ice cream. I think I did Aperol with Sprite and Campari ice cream, which this is pretty much what it is in the bottle. This is going to be fantastic for your Negronis. Bang out some Negronis. To be honest with you, I am going to be starting to do some cocktails here in the show, in the bar. So once a week I'll be doing BC Spirits cocktail. So I hope you're looking forward to that as well. So 216, the barrel aged Amaro. It's a must have. If you're a Campari fan, if you don't have this or their regular one, you're really missing out on a really classic, I think a classic BC Amaro or BC Bitter. So go get some. So chat to you guys tomorrow. Bye.